Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I honestly have no idea what we've done. But it's Christmassy. It is Christmassy AF. I've actually seen a few wee comments, either my YouTube channel or on my Instagram, of people asking and requesting for me to do a look with red, gold and green. So that's what inspired this makeup look. I was also quite inspired by these wee Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadows as well. So obviously, as you can see, this is what I have came up with today. We have a double cut crease. We have a situation going on in the outer corner and the lower lash line. I don't know, we went really balls deep today. Don't get me wrong, this is nothing I would actually wear out of my house. I would not wear this on Christmas Day. Nobody has time for that shit. But anyway guys, if you want to hang around and see how I got this makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to forget about what my hair looks like. We're just not even going to look at it, okay? The first palette I'm going to be taking is the Subculture from Anastasia and Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be going into this shade at the corner axis. So I'm just packing this just within the crease. I'm trying not to go any higher than my crease. Just using a smaller brush. I'm just going to bring that right into the inner corner, and just at the outer corner I'm also going to wing it out. So I'm just going to pat at those outer edges just so that it's not such a harsh line, so as soon as we go and blend it, it's just easier to blend than trying to blend like such a harsh line. And then I went into the Pride palette by Jolie Beauty. I was actually thinking of taking this off after I do this eye. Depending on what this eye looks like as soon as I'm finished it, I might take this eye off because I'm just not happy with it at all. Then I went into this shade at the top, Julia. I'm just going to use this shade to just start buffing those corners. Actually a really nice shade. Well, I actually think that these two shades together actually are quite nice. They do complement each other quite well. Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, and I do apologise that I'm using more than one palette, but I just thought that these mixture of greens would be absolutely perfect. But just use whatever greens that's in your collection if you're going to be recreating this look at home. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, and whenever I was using it on this eye, this is actually such a beautiful green. So I'm going to cut the crease with the e.l.f. concealer, this one here. Whenever I'm doing a cut crease, and especially like a double cut crease, I like to just first go in and in my head just map out where I want it to go. Oh, I'm so scared. I was going to go in with the Live in My Best Lights Garnet liquid eyeshadow from Beauty Bay, and I was putting it on the back of my hand and the tip of the wand is in there. And I try and take the stopper out and see if I can get it out. I think I can feel it. These are honestly just new. This is the first time I've used these. We got it! Okay, so I just put all the product back in the container again, and I thought I had it fixed but I didn't. It fell off again. It just seems to just not want to actually stay on the applicator, so please do be careful if you have any of these from Beauty Bay, just to be a wee bit cautious. As you can see, we are now creating the red of the cut crease, so I'm just going to apply this at the cut crease. Now it's time to cut the second crease, so I'm just going to be using the same products and the same brushes. So I'm basically just going around the crease. Quite a lot of concealer like on the tip of the brush, and as you can see, I'm stamping the brush into the crease. I'm then going to take another one of the Beauty Bay Living My Best light liquid eyeshadows. I'm going to squeal this day. It's nearly Christmas, it's nearly Christmas, it's nearly Christmas. Whoa, I think I've took far too much on my brush. Okay, so once we have that done, I'm going to take a gold glitter and I'm just going to stick my finger in it. Lovely. And I'm just going to pat that gold glitter just over my eyeball, really. I've done the other eye, and isn't it crazy how much difference putting on a bit of foundation makes to your entire look? Like, what? So I'm just going to quickly bake the skin, just my usual. So let's talk Christmas, guys. This time next week, what will it be? So this time next week, it will be Boxing Day, the most depressing day of the year. Do you guys have like any traditions on Christmas Eve? Do you go out? Do you have Christmas Eve parties? Or do you just spend it with your family? Like, I am one of these people that I just do not like going out on Christmas Eve. Like, I would love to experience it at least once in my little pathetic life, but I don't know, like, I just could not picture being in my bed hungover on Christmas Day. I just could not picture being hungover and not wanting to eat my Christmas dinner. I just don't understand it. Like, Christmas Eve to me, we have a tradition where we all sit down, like me, my mum, my sister and my dad. We get loads of nibbles in, slur, mulled wine, whatever it may be, and loads of nibbles, and we stick on a Christmas movie and we just sit and watch it. And the fire on sometimes, I don't know. But that's our tradition and I love it. I absolutely love it. So just let me know, like, do any of you guys and your families have any other Christmas traditions, like mainly on Christmas Eve? Then for highlight, this is the MUA Under Your Skin Shimmer highlight. I haven't been using this recently because the last couple times I've used it, it was really dark. So we'll try it today and see what it's like. Oh yeah, you can see a wee shadow. This is the Dream Sequence palette from Colourpop. Got this last year for Christmas. And the shade I'm using is Counting Sheep. It's actually very similar to Flexitarian. I have been loving these blushes recently, and they're from Wet n Wild. They're the Colour Icon blushes. This is Apricot in the Middle and Precious Pink. These two mixed are absolutely stunning. Okay, so then to bronze, this is the Milani bronzer in the shade Dolce. Can you tell that I've just bronzed the front half of my body because I have no tan on? And then of course I'm going to go with my Burberry liquid lipstick at the minute. It's my favourite one, and it's in the shade Light Nude. Oh my god, eyelashes! What? These are actually the eyelashes I have been talking about and wearing so many times this week, by the brand My Tubes Cosmetics, and they're in the style D103. They were kind enough to give me a discount code, non-affiliate, and it is down below in the description box. Jolie Beauty Proud palette. I'm going with this shade here. I'm just going to pop this just on the lower lash line. Gonna try and bring it as tight to the lower lash line as possible. So I'm still gonna take that green shade. What is this brush? A flat eyeliner brush. I'm just going to just draw a line just basically where my lower lash line ends, and I'm just gonna draw it straight out. So it's kind of like underneath the wing. Yeah! So as you can see, kind of have like a V here. Let's zoom in so you can see a wee bit closer. So I'm just going to get this liner, and I'm just going to outline the top of that line that we created with the flat eyeliner brush. I'm now going to take the tip of that liner and go into the glitter that we used. I just want to do this while that liner is still wet. Yes! Do you know, this makeup tutorial has actually turned out better than I actually thought it was going to be. Praise be to Jesus. But anyway guys, this completes this makeup tutorial. I actually only have, I think, maybe 2 or 3 makeup tutorials, and then that is me until the new year. It is honestly so crazy. But anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching. It means so much to me, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked listed down below in the description box. And yeah, other than that, again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.